This video shows how to create time height diagrams using the cross sections BatchLoad option. First, we'll manually create a time height diagram. We'll use the quick load method and access a BufKit file containing 58 soundings. These soundings are now being loaded and is being saved to file, and here's our time height diagram from the service to 10 millibar level. And now we're going to call up the BatchLoad configuration options because we need to do this to save the current configuration of how the time height diagram appears. To do this, we'll click on the Save Current Diagram button at the bottom. This acknowledges that the current configuration options have been saved. And we'll close this, and then we'll close the RAOB program and go to Windows Run command, where we enter the runtime command as seen here, and using the 58 file BufKit file as before, and there is the new time height diagram quickly plotted using the Windows batch command. So let's change the screen a little bit. Let's drop it from 10 millibars to 100 millibars, and we'll apply it and save it, and we'll add an analysis. We'll analyze for temperature. Okay, now we go back to the BatchLoad options. We want to call that up again and save these new configuration options, up to 100 millibars and with the temperature analysis. And then we go back to the Windows screen and run the Run command again, and here we create another time height diagram up to 100 millibars, which is automatically applied with the temperature analysis. Now let's change the appearance again. Let's drop it down to 400 millibars, and let's make a two-panel display. And let's go to the Data tab, and we'll eliminate the plotting of the WinBarbs because we want to do analyses. So here's the new two-panel display, and for the top analyses we'll do theta, or potential temperature, and for the bottom panel we'll analyze for wind speed. Okay, now we're going to call up the BatchLoad menu option again and save these new configuration options, and then we'll go back to the Windows screen and activate the Run command one last time, and here it's going to be automatically created with the two panels of analyses.